Yeah. A woman called bus conductor used to eat plums sometimes. Her husband was a 48-year-old, 2-year-old, and he could hypnotise. Fantastic. Once, I thought I went to the fridge, but it's just one of my brain's tricks. Actually, I found myself in a box with 2 gorillas. Blimey. I didn't know what to say. Yay. Suddenly, my prick stands up. I got up and ran out the box and got away as fast as I could. Stop right there, says my dad cheerily. Fuck off, I said. So it's rush, front stairs, down the room, and there it was, propped up against a chair in front of the fridge. Big and shining. The Shining. Here's Josh. And I ran and jumped on my hamburger. As we pulled out of my mum's arse, I began to keel over and fry. I began to eat. Drink a farf. I like it when you go to those places where they have those hot little girls to see. Nice. And there's my brother. He stuffs a great big chunk of plasticine into his mouth.